In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Outlook 2026.pst file. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows or Outlook on the web, those versions don't let you open a .pst file directly. A .pst is a personal data file that holds your mail, calendar, contacts, and more. To view or verify that file so you can confidently back it up, you'll need to work through the classic Outlook desktop app or use a trusted third-party migration tool. I'll show you the classic Outlook route. Start by opening Classic Outlook on your Windows PC. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you into the Backstage view where account settings and data options live. On the left-hand menu, choose Open and Export. This is where Outlook groups anything related to bringing data in or out of the app. Next, select Open Outlook Data File. That opens a standard file picker window so you can point Outlook to your existing .pst. Now, navigate to where your .pst is stored on your computer. A common default location is in Documents inside a folder called Outlook Files, but your file might also live on another drive or a custom folder you chose earlier. If you're not sure where it is, try searching your PC for .pst to locate it quickly. Once you've found the correct file, select it and click OK. Outlook will attach the file to your profile. Depending on the size of the .pst and the speed of your storage, this may take a moment. Large archives can be several gigabytes, so a short pause is normal. When it's finished, you'll see the file appear in the folder pane on the left, usually labeled Outlook Data File unless it has a custom name. Expand it to confirm you can see your mail folders, calendar items, and contacts. This step is important. Opening the .pst here doesn't move or change the file. It simply lets you verify that the contents are readable and intact before you store the file safely as your backup. Remember, if you plan to use the new Outlook or Outlook on the web going forward, those experiences won't open a .tst directly. That's why attaching and checking the file in Classic Outlook first is the most reliable way to confirm your backup is good. If you prefer automation or you're migrating between services, a reputable third-party migration tool can also handle the data, but the Classic Outlook method you just saw works well for most people. That's it. Your .pst is open, verified, and ready to be safely stored as your backup.